Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually send a picture as a snap on Snapchat and not really as a chat. But before we get started with this tutorial, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to send a picture as a snap on Snapchat. So in this video we are about to simply discuss how you can send a picture from your phone's gallery as a snap and not really send as a chat. So make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. First things first, you simply want to make sure you have actually updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. If not, then you can head over to your device's app store. In the search box type in Snapchat and go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Snapchat, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are basically logged into your account. Now, in order to actually send a picture as a snap and to make it disappear, what you have to do is simply tap on this emoji icon, which is the filters or the lens icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. So simply tap on it and slide all the way to the right hand side until you actually get to the search button, which is the explore section. So go ahead and simply tap on the explore button. Once you tap on explore, you can simply tap on it, and then here in the search box you want to search for a filter called upload, maybe video or maybe some kind of upload pic or so on. So what you could do is simply tap on that particular filter. As you tap on it, you can simply tap on this upload button. Now you could also go ahead and actually hold to record a video or something else. What you could do is also simply select the video or the photo and tap on it once. As soon as you tap on it, you can go ahead and simply send it. And you can go ahead and simply select any of the friends to whom you actually want to send this as a snap. Once done, from the bottom right, tap on the arrow icon. Now if I go back to my Snapchat chat screen and then I show you right here, you can see that this photo will actually be sent as a snap and not as a picture. Now you can see the snap has also been delivered and it is going to disappear right after they view it. So this was basically it on how you can actually send a picture as a snap on Snapchat app. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our